Once again, thank you so much, members. I want to take this opportunity to give words of praise and gratefulness to our team, together with the UCC. We are coming here, colleagues, for professional development, but also to improve education in our communities. I want to say that the work that UCC is doing together with KAWA, especially KAWA, is so grateful, so great rather, because you are giving us a platform where, one, we are networking together as colleagues in the teaching profession. Two, we are also trying to give a dose of resurrection into the education sector, which we all know that is one of the sectors that is that has been considered as dead in our country. I want to thank you so much, teachers, for sacrificing your time. I want to thank so much our team for sacrificing your resources, the knowledge you put behind this program. May God bless you. May you continue inspiring this nation and building this country. I believe your names will be written on a stone so that the ages will remember. Because even if we passed on today, the generations to come will always see what we did. I'm really very grateful as a teacher. I'm here always and I get inspired and I really get development. So I want to, on behalf of the teachers who are here and our administrators, say that thank you so much for the partnership. May you continue coming to our grassroots, supporting our city clubs and giving us that inspiration. Being a teacher doesn't mean that you know all. We keep learning so that we also keep teaching others. Thank you so much. I have a lot to talk, but because of time, allow me to end here by saying thank you so much, teachers. Let's prepare a really very thunderous 3-factorial hand clap for KAWA team. So I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, then we give them flowers. Thank you so much.